was good, everybody. So look at here. My phone on like 11%, so I gotta skedaddle hurry the heck up with this little tutorial. So this is a weave I've been working on and doing. I'm gonna show y'all a cool detailing you can do with this weave right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna describe it. So I got, this is 20 gauge, and this is 28 gauge. So what I do is, I'm gonna put that thing down like this. Alright, so if I can see it pretty good. So all you do is put it underneath it. So you wrap it around 2 times. So you go 1, 2. Then you take it underneath it, the next wire, and you go 1. Bro, come on now. Oh yeah, got a donkey. 1, 2. You see that? Then you go underneath here to the next wire, and you go 1, 2. And then you go underneath the other wire. And you go 1, 2. Then you go it again. 1, 2. Then underneath it, and you want to push down as well. See, after I go around in one circle, I push it down. Then I go underneath it, and I go 1, 2. Push it down with my thumb. I will wrap it around it 2 times. 1, 2. Go another one. 1, 2. And as you can see, I've been getting it for a while. I love doing it too. It's just my mind be at peace. I be at ease. I just go with the flow, you know? Yeah, that's all it is to it. So now I'm about to just cut this part off. And I'll put that to side to use another time. But I'm gonna wrap this around her like this. Just like that. You want to push it down, push this one down too as well. You see it? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my 20 gauge wire. I'm gonna keep it right here. And all you do is wrap it around here, like you do the coil. You see? And you just do that. Booyah! Look at that. Look how nice. And you just wrap it around here, just like this. Getting highly advanced with this mug. And I feel like this is definitely worth the time and that it took me to do this. And all you do is this. You just wrap it all the way around. Boy, this is fire. I like this. And honestly, this is like my first time getting it this perfect fit. Man, this looks so freaking good, dog. Oh, yeah. And y'all gonna see a lot more pieces with this detailing on here. God damn, this is look good, yo. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do some more. Have this in my creations. But yeah, that's it with the vid. Peace, peace.